Good morning. Well, this is the week 5, with 3 assignments. I'm sorry, but I did not organize this heavy week. But it's a great week and it will stimulate our thinking. We have three articles to read with an option for number 2 because it's a pretty stale article now to do. To Bethuma and Bird, recent shifts in mega churches, not what you think, and then the Rusin article. And you will see in the assignment that you can choose to do 30 minutes on 3 mega churches if you prefer to do that than to read that second article. And then we have the Kessler reading, video rather, and we have the Crouch reading for chapter 13. So that's what that is. But the issues that we have 3 assignments. The first one is a 500-word blog, so it's not terribly hard, but there are 6 questions there that you need to address, all 6 of them, in your blog. Probably you could write 500 words on 2 or 3 of them, but if the blog is 1,000 words, I'm not going to be concerned about that. So that's the first one. And this whole COVID-19 scenario has impacted all of us. So that's one of the issues there. And the second one then is going from a mega church to a small church, and you have 2 options on the small church option. To read the PDF of Vader's excellent book, Small Church Essentials. It came out in 2018, and it's just really an excellent book. Or you can spend 30 minutes, I believe it is, you can read the directions on looking at the Rural Home Missionary Association website, rhma.org. Both of them. Truthfully, I would probably do both of them, but the assignment is to do one of them, and so you can do that. And then the third assignment is the demographic analysis. This is the foundation for the rest of the course. Next week, you're going to be interviewing your pastor. The next week, you'll interview 4 to 7 congregants, diverse people within your congregation, with both weeks, 6 and 7, assigned questions. And then you come to week 8, and you're going to summarize this demographic analysis. So this is a key assignment this week for week 5, 5-3. And the directions are there, but let me just highlight 2 or 3 things. You have 6 demographic categories, and you will see on some of them it says minimally 4. If you want to list 6, that's okay. And then for each of those categories, you're to put the percentages in that category. Not the numbers, but the percentages. And then the chart you're going to make is the demographic things on the left side. And then in the next one is going to be the census data that you gather about your community. Now, when we say your community, I'm not saying the whole town of the city of Chicago. I'm talking about your neighborhood. So maybe your zip code. It depends on how that is. Basically, a 5, maybe 10 mile radius around your church. I'm not looking for specifics, but I'm looking for your church community. Then the third column is your estimate about your church population. Again, on each of those demographic categories. Once you have that information put together, then you're to write and address 5 insights that you gained from this study. The various insights, which are listed in Canvas, are to be bold and underlined. Those will be your headlines for the written part of your assignment. So it's a great study. It's wonderful to when you pause and think about some of these age comparisons, economic status comparisons, uh, those kinds of things. And then our discussion board is what are the advantages and disadvantages both of a church that has fewer than 250 worshipers on a typical Sunday. So it's a great full week. I hope you've taken my advice and done a little advanced prep on it, so you don't have to do it all this week. But God will give you the grace that you need. God bless you.